Welcome to CleverLogger. This video is for people who've never used CleverLogger before. It'll walk you through the first step of creating your CleverLogger account. Begin by opening a web browser window. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any modern browser. But if you're still using Microsoft's old Internet Explorer, you will need to update to a more modern browser. In the address bar at the top, type in cloud.cleverlogger.com. This is the CleverLogger dashboard where you'll manage your whole account, including your loggers, alarms and reports. To start with, we need to create your organizations account. So at the bottom of the screen, click on the Create a New Account button. On the next screen, click the Create New Organization button. Every organization needs an admin user to get started, and that's going to be you right now. You can always change your role or add other users later. Go ahead and type your email address into the field provided. CleverLogger will immediately send you an email, so check your inbox for an email from notifications@cleverlogger.com. If you can't see it, you might need to check your spam folder. In the email are two ways to verify your email address. You can either click the button to verify in your default browser. If that's not what you want, you can copy this code and type it into the form on the page you were just on. Either way, you'll end up on this screen. This is where you'll add your name. If this is going to be a shared account where multiple people will log in with the same email address, you might like to type something like nursing team here. But if this is going to be just you, enter your first and last names. You can also choose a profile color, so go ahead and pick your favorite color. You can change this later if you like. Hit the Save and Continue button to save and continue. The next screen is where you can manage your contact preferences. This has nothing to do with receiving alarm notifications. This is just what information you'd like to receive from us. We have some very handy getting started guides that we send out, for instance. And sometimes we have promotions and special offers that we can let you know about. It's up to you, but we suggest you select all messaging for now. Again, you can easily change these preferences later. Hit Save and Continue to move to the next screen. Okay, that's you set up. Now let's create your organization. Click on Create New Organization. Before we go any further, let's discuss how CleverLogger organizes things. At the highest level is the organization. Below that are sites within the organization, and inside each site are the loggers. We call them locations. Now, if you're a small GP clinic with a single fridge, you'll create the organization as, say, Jones Street Clinic. You'll have a single default site and a single location. But if you had a chain of medical centers, your organization will be something like Acme Medical Centers Group, and you'll create sites for each of the different clinics. Inside each clinic there can be multiple fridges, freezers and storerooms. So CleverLogger is as scalable as you need it to be. Okay, for now we'll go with something simple. The organization has been created. Click Next. On this screen we will let CleverLogger know where we are. This is important so we get the right time zone for our graphs and alarms. On this screen you can select an industry. This is just to give us some insight into how you'll be using your CleverLogger. On to the next step. Here you can enter some contact details. Like the industry section, this is just to make it easy for our support team to help you if you need help. We're not going to contact you with these details. Once you hit Submit, the account creation process is finished and we're ready to start adding devices. But that's another video. If you have any questions about this process or you got stuck somewhere along the way, give the support team a call on 1300 80 88 89 or send an email to team@cleverlogger.com. Thanks for watching.